Imagine AI predicting climate change by analyzing cow burps. Yes, you heard it right. Cows produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas, through their burps. Scientists use AI to model these emissions, revealing that cow burps contribute significantly to global warming. This quirky fact highlights how AI helps us understand unexpected climate influencers. By tracking methane patterns, AI aids in developing strategies to reduce emissions. Who knew cow burps could be so crucial? It's a humorous yet vital insight into AI's role in climate science. Like, comment, and subscribe for more surprising stories.